Hello students, today we are going to learn active and passive voice in present perfect tense. For this, the structure for affirmative sentences is object plus has or have. Has is used with the singular subjects and with he, she, it. And have is used with plural subjects and with I, we, you and they. After that, been is to be used, then third form, then by, then the subject. Let's understand it through some examples. I have written a letter. I is the subject here. Have written verb, a letter object. So first we have to write down object, that is a letter. This is singular, so has will be used. Has, then been, then the third form, then by, and this I will become here me. Look at now next one. My father has bought a new car. My father, this is the subject. Has bought verb, a new car object. So first we have to write down object, a new car. This is singular, so has will be used. After has been, then third form, then by, and after that the subject, my father. Now we will learn the structure for negative sentences. For this, first we have to write down object, then has or have, after that not, then been, then V3, then by, then the subject. Look at the examples. The peon has not rung the bell. The peon, this is the subject. Has rung, that is the verb. The bell, this is the object. So first object we have to write down the bell. The bell is singular, then we will use has. Because this is negative sentence, the not is to be used. Either we can use has not or in short form hasn't. Then after that we have to use been, then third form, that is rung, then by, and then the subject, the peon. Look at now next one. The watchman hasn't opened the gate. The watchman, this is the subject. Has opened, this is the verb. And the gate, this is the object. The first object, the gate. Hasn't, then been, then third form of the verb, opened, then by, then the subject, the watchman. Now we are going to learn the structure for interrogative sentences. Has or have, then object, then been, then third form, then by, then the subject, and at last we have to put down question mark. Look at the examples. Has she invited you? First we have to write down either has or have. According to object we have to write down has or have. You, the object is you here, so with you we use have. So have you, then been, then third form, then by, and this she will become here her. And at last we have to put down question mark. Have they eaten apples? Apples, this is the object. So first we have to write down have, then apples, then been, then third form, that is eaten, then by, and this they will become here them. Students, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.